To sort some of this crap. Not ready for the toolbox tour yet, but we're getting there. At least we're starting to make some headway as to where everything's going to go. Love that cabinet. Fucking heavy duty that bastard is. Still got lots to sort out though. This is going to be the socket drawer. Hopefully metric and standard all fit in one. Some other boxes there to sort out. Get this sucker going. Drill press will get up on top of that box or something. I want to make some headway here. Anyone know what that is? Most of you should know what that is. But in any case, this is just kind of a quick look as to what I got to deal with. I don't want to sort it out yet. Is still got to be determined. Give you a quick preview of some of the drawers. Got a couple arms floating about out somewhere. Plier drawer. Clamp drawer. Some pliers. Oh. Does that look like a piece of snap-on back there? Is it? Is it? Could be. I'll show you later. Alright. For the time being, nothing's kind of loaded yet. Well, partially loaded, but still gotta go through everything. Snap on. Look at this. Just for garnet later. Focus. That. Her brand. S134. And chrome steel, USA made. They also made them in Canada. But in any case, lots to sort out yet. I've got a fucking pile of crap. But in any case, it's our quick fucking look here. Don't worry, boys, it's coming.